Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Today I am going to discuss very important topics for the UGC NET paper 1. Don't miss this video, watch till the end. In this single video you will get more concept to how to solve data interpretation. Okay, don't skip this video, watch till the end and you will get benefit out of this video. Okay, you will see I am here to discuss about the UGC NET 2020 Computer Science Shift Data Interpretation paper. Okay friends, this is the given question. We will see how to solve this question. There are 5 questions will be given. 5 into 2, 10 marks will be given for the data interpretation. Okay, I hope all of you know. It is very important friends. Don't neglect this mathematical aptitude and this data interpretation. Okay, if you are practicing aptitude, then the data interpretation also comes under the aptitude. They will ask the questions related to ratio and proportion, related to uh, average, related to percentage. All are the part of a quantitative aptitude, right? Don't miss this. You have to do daily, you have to do practice, because why we need practice? Without practice, we will take more time to solve one question. Everyone will solve, but we have to solve within the time limit, right? Only 30 seconds are there for us to solve each question. That's why we have to focus on time. When we will get on time, whenever we practice, then we will solve the question in short period of time. Always remember, if you want to be perfect in calculations, mathematics, that is practice. Practice is very important. You have to do practice for the mathematics. Then only you will solve within the time limit. Okay, now I am here to help how to solve the question, how to approach the question. I will tell so many tricks to solve the DI. Okay friends, now we will start with this DI. This is given the number of students in the each department and the department name. This is the total number of students in each department. This is percentage of female out of this total number of students in computer science. This is the percentage of female. This is not a number of female. This is percentage of female out of 840. Next, this is percentage of male out of 840. Okay, like that for all the departments it is given what is the total number of students, what is the female percentage, and what is the male percentage. Based on this given data, there are 5 questions given. Okay, we will see now. We will see the first question. First question is asking what is the total number of male students. What is the total number of male students in computer and mining departments together? We have to find the total number of male. We have to find the male in computer plus mining departments together, right? Total number of male. First, find the total number of male in computer. Next, total number of male in the mining. Then add that. Then you will get the answer, right? First, we will try to find male in computer science. Where is computer science? Here. What is the total number of males? 55. This is not number. This is 55 percentage of what is the total? 840. But don't try to follow the traditional method here. That is x percentage of y. That is, what is the formula of x percentage of y? X by y into 100. But don't follow this method every time, because it is more calculation is involved in that type of if you use this formula. But I will tell you one short trick how to solve this percentage. Okay friends, what you have to do? We can write this 55 percentage as 50 percentage plus 5 percentage, right? Yes or no? 50 percentage plus 5 percentage of 840. First, tell me what is the 50 percentage of 840? All of us know, right? 50 percentage means what? Half of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is also called 50 percentage. This is percentage and equivalent ratio, right? That means 50 percentage means what? Half of the 840. That is what we will get. Just we can do in our mind, right? Half of 800 is 400. Half of 40 is 20. The 420 is the 50 percentage of 840. Then what is the 5 percentage of 840? Before finding the 5 percentage, tell me what is the 10 percentage of 840? 10 percentage means if you apply the formula 10 by 100 into 840, right? Then what you will get? 84. But don't do like this. Just if we want to know the 10 percentage of any number, just if it is 0 in the last digit, just delete the last digit. Then you will get the 10 percentage. Suppose if the last digit is not 0, suppose it is 5, then what is the 10 percentage? 84.5, right? Like that you have to find the 10 percentage. Okay, if you know the 10 percentage, can you find the 5 percentage? Yes, right. What is the 5 percentage of 840? Just half of 10 percentage, right? If 10 percentage is 84, 5 percentage is what? Half of 10 percentage, that is 42. Then this is 42. I am explaining, that's why I am taking this much time. Suppose if you are doing on yourself, if you are doing in your mind, it is taking very within seconds you can find the 55 percentage of 840. Then what is the total? 462 is the total male computer science. Next we will find the male in mining. Then finally we have to add, this is male in computer science. What is the percentage of male in mining department? This is the mining. These are the total number of students, and this is the male percentage. Then that is 60 percentage of 540. How I told you, 60 percentage we can write 50 percentage plus 10 percentage, right? What is the 50 percentage of 540? Half of that. Half of that means what is half of 500? That is 250. What is half of 40? That is 20. Then what is the 10 percentage of 540? Just remove last 0. 54. Okay. Then this is 270 plus 54. 224. This is the male in mining, and this is the male in computer science. Just we have to add. What is the addition? 462, 224. While doing addition also, don't do like the small kids. Don't start from the ones place, next to tens place, next 100 place. No, don't do like that. Just first add the highest place. What is the highest place? 100. 400 plus 200, that is 600. And tens place, 600 plus 60 plus 20, 80. That means 680 plus 4 plus 2, 6. That is 686 is the final answer of this question. I hope you understand this question. Then we will move for the next question. I think we did some mistake here, right? 462 plus 224. Watch. 686. Where we did mistake? 420 plus 42. Okay. 462. Here 60 percentage. That means 50 percentage of this is 250 plus 20. 270 plus this is 10 percentage is 54. 270 plus 54, how much? 300. And yes friends, we did here, we did mistake. This is 324. We are getting total male in mining 324. 324 plus 462. How much we will get? 462, 324. How much? 786 is our final answer. Not sorry for this. The third option is the right answer. Okay. Next, we will go for the next question. What is the total number of students in all the departments together? Just we have to add the total number of students in all the departments. What we have to do for that? Just we have to add. I just now I told, don't do the calculation like kids. Don't do first ones place, tens place, hundreds place. First you have to add the hundreds place. Then it is very easy, right? First 800 plus 200, how much? 1000, 1000 plus 900, 1900, 1900 plus 300, 2200, 2200 plus 400, 2600, 2600 plus 500, 3100, right? Next one is, next I will add tens. 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 60, 120, 120 plus 50, 170, 170 plus 40, how much? 210. Just add these two. 13310 is the total number of students in the from all the departments, right? See, only 20 seconds. Within 20 seconds we solve this question. Next, what is the ratio of the number of females in civil and electrical departments together? We have to find the ratio. Here we need to find the ratio of what? Number of females in civil and electrical departments together to the number of males in the same department. First ratio is number of females in the civil plus electrical. Civil plus electrical ratio, males in the same departments, that is civil plus electrical. This is the ratio. First females from civil and civils plus electronical, and males from civils and electronical, right? For this also I will tell you one trick how to solve this question. Okay friends, please try to concentrate here, focus and try to solve with me. Okay, this is first we will try to find females in civil and electrical. First, this is different, right? Where is civil department? Here is civil department. What is the percentage of female here? 35 percentage of 220. That is female in civil. How much? 35 percentage of 220. That means how much? How can we write this? 50 minus 15 percentage. Can we write like this? Yes, right? Because 50 minus 15 is also 35. What is the 50 percentage of 220? Half of 220. That is 110. Minus what is the 15 percentage of 220? 220. First we will take 15 percentage means just 10 plus 5. First we will find the 10 percentage. 10 percentage means I just told remove last digit. 22. What is the 5 percentage? Half of this 10 percentage. That is 11. That means 33 is the, we have to subtract 110 minus 33. What we will get? 110 minus 30 is 180. 80 minus 3 how much? 77. This is the female in civil. Next we have to find the female in electrical. See, female in electrical. What is the percentage of, there are 360 students in the electrical. What is the percentage of female? 65 percentage. That means 65 percentage of 360. I can write this 65 percentage as 50 plus 15 percentage, because to make the calculation simple we have to take the nearest value is 50 only. For the 65 nearest is 50. We should not take 100 minus, how much? 100 minus 35. Like that we should not take. Okay, we have to take the nearest easy calculation percentage. Here see, what is the 50 percentage of 360? 50 percentage means half of 360. 50 percentage of 360 is how much? 180. Then what is the 15 percentage? 15 percentage means 10 plus 5. 10 percentage is 36 and 5 percentage is half of 10 percentage, that is 18. That means 180 plus 36. How much? 180 plus 36 means 216 plus 18. 216 plus 18, how much? 80, 54, right? 6, 8, 8 6, 14. 234. 234 is the total number of females in electrical. Okay, now I will ask you next what we have to find. Here we got civil. The total number of females in civil is 77 and the total number of females in electrical is 234. Next what we have to, for this we have to make the ratio male in civil and electrical. What is the total number of males in the civil? We know the female in the civil. Can we find the males in the civil? No need of doing this percentage again because already we know the percentage of female, number of female students, that is 70 and 77. Can we find the male? If we subtract this 77 from the total number, we will get female, right? That's why male in civil is equal to 220 minus 77. How much we will get? 200, 200, 150, that is 143 we will get here. Okay. Next, in the similar way, this is 140. In the similar way, electrical female students are 234. Then can we find the male? Male is 360 minus 234. How much we will get? 360 minus 234. 10 minus 4, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. That is 126. Then do the total. In the next time, if you know the number of female students in any department, easily if you subtract this female from the total, you will get the male. No need of again do the percentage. Then now find the ratio. Now what you have to do? You have to do the addition of females and addition of males. Then you have to do the percentage. Females, how much total? 230 plus 70. That is 300, 300, 311. And male, how many? 143, 126. That is 269. Then we can, yes, the option 4 is the right answer. Direct, this option is there in the given options. I hope you understand this question. Now we will move for the next question. This is option 4 is the right answer here. Next, what is the respective, next question is also asking about ratio. What is the respective ratio of number of females in number of females? Just you have to write whatever given. Number of females in mechanical to the number of females in electronics. This is not electrical, this is electronics. We have to find this. For that, what we have to do? Females in mechanical. Where is mechanical department? Here is mechanical. There are total 900. The percentage of female is 23. That means 23 percentage of 900 ratio. Number of females in electronics. Electronics total number of is 450 and females is 44. That means 44 percentage of 450. This ratio we have to find. Then 23 percentage means 20 plus 3 percentage, right? Percentage of 900. Here 44 means 50 percentage minus 6. 50 minus 6 we can write, right? Because for the, to simplify our calculation. What is the 20 percentage of 900? First tell me the what is 10 percentage of 900? just you have to remove the last 0, that is 90. 20 percentage means 20 percentage of 900, what you will get? Just 10 percentage plus one more 10 percentage, that will give 20 percentage. That means 90 into 2, that is 180, plus what is the 3 percentage of 900 and 900? For finding the 3 percentage, you have to know the 1 percentage. We already find 10 percentage is 90, then 1 percentage what? 9. If 1 percentage is 9, what is 3 percentage? That is 27, right? That is 100, 207 is the number of females in mechanical. Next what? 50 minus 60 percentage. Electronics. Electronics is 450. What is the percentage? 50 percentage of 450? 225, right? Minus what is 6 percentage? 10 percentage is 45. 1 percentage is 4.5. Then what is 6 percentage? 6 percentage means 6 into 4.5. That is 24 plus how much? 3. 6 5 ja 30 means point is there. That's why we'll get 3. 27. That means 225 minus 27. Right? 207 ratio 225. 25 will cancel. That we will get here 198. See here in 3 table we can do this calculation. 3 6 ja 18. 3 9 ja 27. Next 3 6 ja 18. 3 6 ja 18. Next 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. 3 2 ja 6. 3 2 ja 6. That means 23 ratio 22 is the right answer. Yes, we will go for the next question. This is the right answer. What is the average percentage of female students in the whole institute? Just we have to find the percentage, average percentage. Already here percentages are given for the female. We have to find the average percentage. What is average? All of us know, right? Sum of observations divided by total number of observation. Yes, total number of observations. Okay, but I will tell you one more trick to find the average quickly. Okay, if all the given numbers are near to each other, if all the given numbers are near to each other, here see, if you observe here, all are near to 40, right? This is 45, 35, 23, 65, 44, 40. What I will do, if all numbers are near to each other, we have to take one number as a our consider. We have to consider one number as our average, whichever is near to all the numbers. Now I am considering 40 as my average. Now I have to adjust, right? I am just considering 40 as average. Whichever are more than the average, whichever are less than the average. Whichever are more than the average, I will write in the plus side how much is more than 40. I will write in the minus side how much is less than 40, our consideration. See first one. In the first one, 45 is the given number. That means this 45 is 5 more than our assumed average, right? Here in the next civil department, this is 5 less than our assumed average. Next, in mechanical department, this is how much less than 40? 17. That's why we have to write in the minus side, right? Whichever is less than the assumed average, we have to write in the minus side. Then this is next one is this also finished. This is 65. Electrical is 65. How much is more than the our consider? 25 more than our consider. Next one is 44. This is 4 more than our assumed average. Next, only one is remaining, that is 40. This is equal, right? That's why we should not, that nothing should be added, nothing should be subtracted. Now we have to add the how much is there in plus column and how much is there in minus column. In the plus column, this is 34. Minus column, this is how much? 22. Then we have to subtract this. Here plus is more. That's why we have to subtract plus from minus. Sorry, minus from plus. Here 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. Suppose if you get doubt, if suppose negative is more, suppose if negative is 44, what we will get? We will get minus 10 as our remainder. For this, we have to again redistribute to the among the total number. Suppose there are 6 departments. For like this, we have to distribute this average. Okay, here we got how much? How much we got? 12, right? That means this 12 we should not add direct for to 40. We should not add this 12 to directly 40. What we have to do? We have to distribute this 12 to all the departments. How many departments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 12 by 6. This is the remaining average. First, our considered average is right, and the 12 by 6 is extra. We have to add our assumed average. 6 to 12. That means the average percentage of females is 42 percentage. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this session. I will come up with more DI questions. Don't neglect this area. Try to practice, try to do with yourself. Then you will get confident and you can solve in within the time. That is only 30 seconds are there for each question. Try to solve. Thank you friends. Have a nice day. Bye.